What do safe roads, bridges, mass transit systems, airports, and access to sanitary drinking water in remote villages of Africa all have in common? They all require long-term strategies and solutions. They all require civil engineering. Civil engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure of our society. Roads and bridges, drinking water and energy systems, seaports and airports. They create the underlying support systems that let our lives happen. Civil engineers make a huge difference in all our lives every single day, even if that impact is not always recognized. Civil engineers keep us healthy and safe. They help us move ourselves in a wide array of goods from one place to another. They allow us to become educated, and they help create the stability that allows us to pursue a brighter tomorrow. Without civil engineers, our lives would simply not happen the way that they do. Civil engineers are making a real difference in our world, and the demand for highly skilled professionals in the field is growing. If you have a desire to positively and tangibly impact your world by combining your interests in math, science, and technology with a passion for creatively solving challenging problems to serve others, then Cedarville University's civil engineering major might be just what you're looking for. Cedarville's program combines challenging academics with hands-on design projects and laboratory exercises to offer you a first-rate education rooted in biblical perspective. If God has given you the desire to serve Him through civil engineering, come visit us and see for yourself how the civil engineering program might be a great fit for you.